Okay everyone, in this lecture we will learn about header files. So we can treat header files as dictionaries. So Dave C++ doesn't know what cout is supposed to do initially. So IOStream tells it what cout is supposed to do, that is print whatever is inside this codes onto the screen. Now to make this more clear to you, just remove this line of code and now try to compile it. You can see in the error tab that cout was not declared. It means that Dave C++ doesn't know what cout is supposed to do. You can bring it back and compile it again. You'll see that it works fine now. Now by adding this line of code, what it actually does is that go to your My Computer, go to C, Program Files, DaveCpp folder, and go to this folder min gw64. Go to this one and inside, or you can just go into this folder and search for IOStream, and you'll see IOStream is actually just a file, and this file contains all the definitions for console input and output functions. At the moment it contains definition for cout. So by just adding this line of code, it tells our Dave C++ what cout is supposed to do. So in longer programs, it will help to reduce the size of the code. Instead of defining each element, you can just add this line of code and it will help us reduce the size of the code. Now there are many more header files like fstream, stdio. We'll learn about that in later lectures, but at the moment all you need to know that IOStream is a very important header file and it contains definitions for input and output functions like cout. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.